Hi dear students, now we shall discuss the fifth question. The question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. There is a point on x-axis which divides the line joining these 2 points. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So we have to find the point on x-axis which divides the line segment AB. Okay, we have to find the coordinates of the point on x-axis and also in which ratio that point divides the line segment AB. We have to find. Okay, first we shall find the ratio. Then after you can think about the point. Okay, now I'll take this as point A. So this is point A, 1, minus 5, and another point I'll take here as B. So this is point B. So minus 4, 5. What they said? This line segment AB is divided by a point on x-axis. So let us take this is a point on x-axis. I'll take this as P. If suppose the point P is on x-axis, its y coordinate must be 0 because this point P is on x-axis. Now I will take this as x. You can take any value of for this. Okay, I taken here as x, or you can take y, a, b, c, d, anyone. Okay, unknown it is. We have to find it. And now this point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio k:1. I will take again. Otherwise you can take m1 and m2 as it is. Okay, no problem at all. Now 1, minus 5, this I will take as x1, y1. First point it is, keep it in mind. Second point is B, minus 4, 5. That is what? x2, y2. Now ratio I will take it as k:1. That is m1:m2. Okay. Now let us write the formula P of x, y. Here I will write x, y. Generally I am writing m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, now let us substitute the values. Now this is the point P. Here I have taken it as x, 0. This is what? X, 0. Now m1 is nothing but k into x2. x2 is here what? Minus 4 plus m2 1 into x1 is here 1 divided by k plus 1, then m1 k into y2 is here 5 plus m2 is here what? Here m2 is 1 into y1. So here y1 is minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Now I have to simplify this. Here I should get the value of k first. Okay, so means I have to find the ratio first. Now P of x, 0 is equal to this is minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 Now 5k minus 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Now here in this case we are going to find the value of k, but here x coordinate is unknown, y coordinate is known. Already said you, if two order pairs are equal, then their corresponding element must be equal. You can take x equal to this one or 0 equal to this one. But for the first element, x is unknown. We cannot find it. X is also unknown, k is also unknown. So you must take 0 is equal to this one. Second element you should take. Then automatically you can find k value. Now 0 is equal to or 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1 is equal to what? 0. Now k plus 1 goes to that side, it will be 0. It means 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. 5k is equal to 5. So here I am getting k is equal to what? K is equal to 1 I am getting. Okay. Now If k is equal to 1 you are getting, then m1 is to m2 ratio means what? m1 is to m2 is equal to k is to 1. So k value is 1 is to 1. It means what? If you are getting 1 is to 1 ratio means what? This point B must be the midpoint of AB, because same ratio is there, 1 is to 1 or 2 is to 2 or 3 is to 3, like this. Okay, so this must be the midpoint of AB, I can say. Okay, so they said you to find the ratio, I got it. Then also we have to find the coordinates, find the coordinates of the point of division. So this is the point of division, we have to find the coordinates of this point. So already we got y coordinate, don't bother about it. Now we have to find x coordinate. How we can find x? Again, by taking second element we got the value of k. Now I will take the first element, because already k value is known. So I will substitute this k value in the first element, automatically I will get the value of x. Okay, now x is equal to minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1. Substitute the value of k here. Minus 4 into 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So here x is equal to what? Minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 divided by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Now x value you got, but I must write the point P here now. So therefore P of x comma 0 is equal to minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Okay, this is the point of division and the ratio is 1 is to 1. Next, sixth question. If 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order. So these are all the vertices of parallelogram. They have taken in order only. Okay, so find x and y. So let us draw first a parallelogram. So let us take this is a parallelogram. In this one, the 4 vertices of parallelogram are given. They are in order. So the first point I will take A, 1 comma 2, then B, 4 comma y, C, x comma 6. Now third point D, fourth point D. So that D is 3 comma 5. Now these vertices are given. We have to find x and y. Now in parallelogram we know the diagonals of parallelogram bisect with each other. Means first I will draw the diagonal AC, and now BD I draw the diagonal BD. So the point of intersection is O. It means O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. So diagonals bisect with each other. It means OA is equal to OC and OB equals to OD, I can say. It means what? O is the midpoint of BD and also O is the midpoint of AC, I can say. Okay. Now, so we have to find x and y. For that one, so I will take the diagonal AC first. So for the diagonal AC, I am going to find the midpoint O first. For diagonal AC, for diagonal AC. So first point A I will take 1 comma 2 of 1 comma 2. This I will take x1 comma y1. And second point C that is x comma 6. I will take this as x2 comma y2. Okay. Now, so for this diagonal AC, O is the midpoint of AC. So therefore O x comma y, O of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Can I write the formula? This is the midpoint formula. So x2 plus x1 by 2 comma y2 plus y1 by 2. Both are same only. Okay. So here O is the midpoint of AC. So I am going to find the midpoint O for the diagonal AC. Now I apply the midpoint formula. So now here I am going to find the value of point O. So let us substitute the values. x1 plus x2. x1 is here 1 plus x2 is here what here? X divided by 2 comma y1. So y1 is here what? 2 plus y2 is here 6 divided by 2. So this is what? X comma y. This is point O. Now next procedure. O of x comma y is equal to, what is this? X plus 1 by 2. I cannot change it. X plus 1 by 2. I write it as it is. 6 plus 2, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So here I got O of x comma y is x plus 1 by 2 comma 4. Okay. This is final. Now I will go for the diagonal BD. For diagonal BD. For diagonal BD. Okay. Here also O is the midpoint of BD. O is the midpoint of BD. So now B I will take 4 comma y. This you can take again other than x1, x2, y1, y2 I will take some other values. That is x3, y3 and D is 3 comma 5. This I will take x4 comma y4. Okay. So in the same problem I have already taken x1, y1, x2, y2. So for that I will take some other values. No problem at all. Now for this diagonal I am going to find O x comma y. So you can write the formula. What is that? x3 plus x4 by 2 comma y3 plus y4 by 2. Midpoint formula it is. Now substitute the values. x3 plus x4, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 divided by 2 comma. This is what? Y plus 5 divided by 2. So now here this is equal to 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 divided by 2. This is what? O of x comma y. But one thing you should remember, we are going to find x and y. Keep it in mind. Now here O of x comma y is this one and here O of x comma y is this one. So both LHS are equal. Then automatically I can equate the RHS. So here it means what? X plus 1 divided by 2 comma 4 must be is equal to 7 by 2. Otherwise I will write one statement here. So here I will write the statement. The midpoint of what is AC is equal to the midpoint of BD. Okay. So midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Now midpoint of AC. So here these two are equal. So what I can take here? X plus 1 divided by 2 comma 4 is equal to 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 divided by 2 I will take. The midpoint of AC is equal to the midpoint of BD. So here now let us take x plus 1 by 2 comma 4 is equal to, what is that? 7 divided by 2 comma y plus 5 divided by 2. So by using this condition I should get x and y. So let us equate the first element. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 and another one 4 is equal to y plus 5 divided by 2. Now let us solve this first. 2 to get cancelled. X plus 1 is equal to 7. Now x equal to 7 minus 1, that is 6. So here you are getting x equal to 6. Now here. Now 8 is equal to y plus 5. So y is equal to 8 minus 5. Y equal to how much? 3. So x equal to 6 and y equal to 3. Okay, these are the values of x and y. Let us discuss the seventh question. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. So we have to find the coordinates of point A. So let us take a circle. In this circle there is a diameter. So this is diameter is nothing but the chord is passing through the center of the circle. So this is AB. AB is the diameter. Now point A we have to find. They have not given. We have to find it. Point B is given. Point B is how much? That is 1 comma 4. Point B is 1 comma 4. So center of the circle is given. Center of the circle is what? 2 comma minus 3. Now let us take this center of the circle as O. So center is given and one end point of the diameter is given. We have to find the other point of diameter you have to find. So here OA is equal to OB because OA is radius, OB is also radius. They are equal. Okay. So it means what? O is the midpoint of AB. So center of the circle is the midpoint of the diameter AB. Okay. Therefore, O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint of diameter AB. Diameter. O is the midpoint of diameter AB. Okay. Now we can apply what? Midpoint formula to find A. So this I will take. So A I will take it as x1 comma y1. Unknown. We have to find it. So A is equal to x1 comma y1 I will take. Then B 1 comma 4. This I will take as x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2. Now O is the midpoint of AB. Therefore O 2 comma minus 3 is equal to, write the formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now here, so this is 2 comma minus 3 is equal to, substitute the values. X1 we have to find it, x1 plus x2 is here what? 1 divided by 2 comma y1 we have to find it, y1 plus y2 is here what? 4 divided by 2. So here let us equate the corresponding elements. 2 is equal to x1 plus 1 by 2 comma, so next minus 3 is equal to y1 plus 4 divided by 2. Now we have to find x1 and y1. So here 2 to the 4 is equal to x1 plus 1. So here x1 is equal to how much? 4 minus 1. Here I am getting it as 3. Now here minus 6 is equal to y1 plus 4. Now here y1 is equal to minus 6 minus 4. So here y1 is equal to what? Minus 10. Okay. So x1 and y1 I got. So at the end I should write the point A. Therefore the point A x1 comma y1 is equal to 3 comma minus 10. So 3 comma minus 10.